Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to pin your favorite apps to the Windows taskbar. And yes, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Windows. Now to pin any apps, for now I'll take this Firefox. Now to pin this app on this taskbar over here on the bottom, right click on this app you wanna pin. Then over here, you'll find this Pin to Taskbar. Click on this and you can see this app is pinned on this taskbar. Now to remove this from taskbar, again right click and you can see here Unpin from taskbar. Click on this and you can see it is removed. So in this way we can pin and unpin apps to the Windows taskbar. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe.